Hey sports fans, here we are at the property on a Saturday the 17th of June. Today is the day we blow up the outhouse. So I got everything stripped out of here, my little hand washer thing. We got our container, it's using an old cranberry juice container. There's 2.5 pounds of tannerite in there. So we should be good. We are way back in there in the forest. So, and I've got a little piece of plexiglass set up here, right here, that we're going to put the camera behind on a mount. Ken's going to have his drone up in the air, and we're going to blow her up, and we're going to have some fun. So we'll have drone footage, we'll have footage from the camera here, and we'll see what's going to happen. I got the broom up there to stabilize the there's a broom going across. I got it hung down from the bottom, from the top, a little hook up there with some 550 cord, and that should be stable enough, and I can see that back from where we are, no problem. And we're gonna go from there. So that's what we got going on. That's what's happening. And there's Ken and Blair. We brought Blair's wheeler out and Ken's out. He's gonna have the drone up in a second, and that's what's happening. So without further ado, we'll get some footage going here. Take one.
I wasn't even ready for that. You said ready? I said film me, and I was going to look at me with that. Ain't nothing left of that shit. That's here, by the way. And the GoPro's still there. Oh, fuck, it's completely destroyed.
It is. Oh. 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 We still recording? We are. There you go, sports fans. She's nothing but debris at the moment. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. And you know what? It never blew the hole up. Everything just went... Everything's just fucking all over the place. Oh, look. There's pieces of siding over there. There's on top of the lawnmower. Oh, look at that. Shattered the fucking tree.
Untouched.
It busted the... There's the walls. It busted the plexiglass. It just shattered it. But the camera seemed no damage. I don't even think it moved. We'll see when we look at the footage.
Yeah,
Oh.
pretty good.
Oh, but this is awesome. This is probably one of the best ones we've done. And the broom. Hey.
Good for the next outhouse. Too short, but...
And here's the view from the other side, from in the forest. Oh, there's fucking debris over here too. You can see what used to be on the sides. And pink styrofoam everywhere. I heard something go into the woods.
Yeah, so did I.
But there's shit over there. There's fucking wood over there. There's wood everywhere. Oh my God. It's awesome. Pandalirium.
That's awesome. Now I got to shit.
Yeah. That's your problem. That is awesome. All right, sports fans, there you are. There's our excitement for today. There's still smoke hanging in the air. Oh yeah, there's still outhouse shit all over the place here too. There's stuff all over, like it's out here. When they say stay back 100 yards, they mean it. Because there's pieces out here There's a piece there. There's a piece out here. There's a couple pieces here. Nothing made it to the forest, which is good. So let's get Ken's impressions here.
Man. I knew I had explosive diarrhea, but fuck, I didn't know it was that bad.
You can say it shattered the plexiglass.
Did it?
Oh, fuck yeah, like.
Oh yeah, I see. Fuck. Wow.
But
Shattered the fucking outhouse.
shattered the outhouse too. It's awesome.
I didn't think it was going to do that much damage to it, but it fucking blew it into the
I
roof.
figured it would. That's
The
what
fucking
happened.
roof went right off, eh? Oh, there's the roof up there. Oh no, is that the roof? Is that part of the tin? Is that birch bark up there?
No, that's the tin. I didn't even see it.
Yeah, it's the tin on the roof's up on the tree. Watch snails.
Here you go, sports fans. There's the tin from the roof. Why the fuck? And it's mangled to some fuck. Oh my God, this is, and there's, I could see pieces of the siding back in there. This is awesome. All right.
That's the way to tear down an outhouse.
So what are your initial impressions, Ken?
I think that was pretty good.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, it was awesome.
All right, how'd you like it, Raven? Hey, hey, do we get your doggy seal of approval?
I have to see what the drone footage.
Did you see the roof?
No.
Come here.
Is that in the tree?
Yes.
Yeah, this fucking thing's still sort of in the ground. Holy jeez. That's awesome. Looks like your shed survived all right.
Yeah, the shed survived fine.
Yeah.
Which is kind of how I planned it, because that's why I wanted it kind of pushing out towards the front. But oh, there's a piece of the broom handle. This is awesome. This is awesome footage. I'm gonna have to get some still pictures.
Yeah.
Anyways, there you have it, sports fans. That's the destruction of the outhouse at the property.
No, get out, Raven. No. Shit.
Yeah, she's smelling the shit. Saturday, June the 17th, 2023. Here you go. And please like, share, and subscribe. Fucking share this video far and wide, because people are gonna love this. This is fantastic. Anyways, we'll see you here, sports.
Are you filming? I said,
See you here.
Okay, boom, it's dead. Bastard, I wasn't even ready for that. You said ready? I said film me, and I was going to look at me with that. Here, by the way.
And the GoPro's still there.
Oh, fuck, it's completely destroyed.
It is. Oh. 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 We still recording? We are.